I'm Anurag Gupta from IIT Roorkee, and today we will be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And today we are going to discuss question which is contains duplicate second. So let's see what this question states. So this question states that given an integer array nums and an integer k, return true if there are two distinct indices I and j in the array such that nums I is equals to nums j and abs I minus j is less than or equals to k. Example number 1 is 1231 and k is 3. So here like 1 and 1 they both are equal, and there I minus j absolute is less than or equals to 3. So we are returning true. In example number 2, this and this are equal, and this and this are equal, and their I minus j is less than or equals to 1. So we are returning true. In this for k is equals to 2, there the condition doesn't satisfy, so we are returning false. Num's length can go from 1 to 10 to the power 5, and num's values can go from minus 10 to the power 9 to 10 to the power 9, and k can go from 0 to 10 to the power 5. So this is the question explanation. I hope you have understood the question, and let's see how we're going to solve it. So in order to solve it, for each and every number, we have to check uh, k places to the left and k places to the right, that whether there is any number similar to that number or not. This is the basic idea, and what we will do is, first of all, once we will check on the left side. So for checking for the left side, we will traverse from the left index, and we will use sliding window, and we will store the last k elements in that sliding window. So suppose, let's take this example. So here k is equals to 1, so we will initially store 1 in sliding window. Then when we are storing 0 in the sliding window, we'll check if 0 is present or not. So 0 is not present, so we'll continue, and then we will omit out 1, and we will insert 0 in our sliding window. Then we'll move here, and then we'll check 1 is present or not. So 1 is not present in sliding window because only 0 is present, so we will insert 1 into a sliding window, and 0 would be omitted out. And now we will move on to this, and we'll check whether 1 is present in sliding window. So it is present, and so we'll return true. So we'll use the idea of sliding window, and similarly this we have done from left side. In order to check the elements to the right side, we will start traversing from the end of the array, and on the basis of that we will return true or false. So this is the explanation. Let's see the coding part and see how we are going to implement it. So this is the function which we are given, contains nearby duplicate vector int nums and int k, and int n is nums dot size. Then we are defining one map which has key as integer and values also as integer m, and then we are traversing from 0 to k, and we are storing the count of each and every number into our map, and then we are traversing from k to n, and for each of the number we will check whether this number is already present in our map. If it is present, then we will return true. Otherwise we will add this number and remove the I minus kth number, and if I minus kth number count becomes 0, then we will erase that key from our map. So this, up to this point we have done this forward iteration. Then we will clear our map and we will do the backward iteration. So for this we'll start from n minus 1, and we'll go up to n minus 1 minus k, and we'll insert each element into our map. And then after this we will go from n minus 1 minus k to 0, and we'll check if the element is present in our map, then we will return true. Otherwise we will follow the same steps as above, that we will insert the element, and we will decrement the count of I plus k element, and if its count becomes 0, then we will erase that element from our map. If none of the true is returned, then we will finally return false. So this is the code, and I hope you have understood the code, and let's try to run it and see whether it's working fine. So it is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it has got accepted. So this solution is working fine. I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description that is in the description of the video. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode. Thanks and have a nice day.